Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Naruto filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To tap on the screen to change the effects. To get this effect, visit the creator profile. Naya Kochi is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock these filters to your camera tray. So check in our filter gallery and this is the filter Naruto. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. And that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. And if you are not finding the filter here, you can also visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open the link with Instagram. And likewise also you can get this effect. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.